Hello and welcome to Saving Money, Saving Time, Digital Planning on Your Tablet. I'm Rachel and I'm here to tell you about my digital planning experiences. So what I use for my digital planning is a 2019 iPad, which the 2019 iPad is something that Apple came out with when they decided to make an iPad that was a little bit more affordable and accessible. And the cool thing about that iPad, which attracted me to it, was the fact that it could use the Apple Pencil. And I wanted to be able to use those two tools in my studying because I take master's classes. Now, the iPad isn't the only tool, or Apple isn't the only tool you can use for digital planning. Android is also an option. With Apple, you use the GoodNotes app, which is only available on iOS. But with Android, they have a comparable app called Metamoji. I am not very familiar personally with Android digital planning because it's not something I've tried myself. But on our event page, and I will share the website to our event page at the end of this program, I will share some tutorials from people who have done very similar digital planning to what I'm going to show you today using an Android and the Metamoji app. So I hope you enjoy this program. So there are options on where to start in digital planning. One option is making your own digital planner and your own stickers and your own pages, which I have tried that. I'm not very skilled at it, but I will show you at the end some that I've made. And then another option is to purchase PDFs where they have already created the planner for you. This is a picture of the digital planner that I purchased, and I really liked this one. I got it on Etsy. And this digital planner does not have dates listed in it, so I can reuse this over and over again, and I really like that option. I will show you how to download it and show you what it looks like inside of it. Etsy is a great place to go for purchasing stickers and planners, and what I love about it is the price of these items. You can buy a set of stickers for $2.99, $3.99, $5.99. You know, you can just pick what you're looking for. But the cool thing is you can reuse these things over and over and over again because what you're buying is a PDF. So it's not like paper planning where you use your stickers and then you have to rebuy all these items every year. It's something that you're going to really get your money's worth out of. And I really like that added benefit to digital planning. So next I'm going to show you how to get your purchased planner from your Etsy shop or your Etsy account over to GoodNotes where you can start planning and writing on it. So from the pages of your purchases, you want to open the item that you purchased to download and then scroll down and go ahead and download your planner. It's going to pop up in another window like this, and when it pops up, you are going to choose share and then move it on over there. I got a lot of things up, but you're going to want to hit more and then send it to GoodNotes. Copy to GoodNotes right there. So once GoodNotes opens, then you are going to tell it to import as a new document. And there's your planner, ready to use in GoodNotes. And you'll want to rename it. I'm going to rename this one Fall 2020 since it's specifically for this program. I already have one from 2020 and one from 2019 because these are such cost-effective tools. I was able to reuse it, as I mentioned before. Now then, let's take a look at our planner. This has an index, it has leaving behind, looking forward, lots of places to take notes and plan for your month. I really like these pages here with the dots. It helps me put things where they need to be. And the cool thing is that you can open links at these tabs and they take you to the different pages when you open the links. You just long press with your Apple Pencil and then click Open Link, and it'll take you straight to the page that you have chosen from that tab. It's really handy, nice little tool there. Now let's talk about adding sticker page PDFs to your calendar. I have purchased a ton. The first thing you're going to want to do is click these up where the yellow circle is, the 4 squares, And you're going to scroll down until you get the page that has the plus on it. And then you're going to hit import. And you are going to find the files that you have downloaded from Etsy. And you just choose the file and add it to your planner. Once you add your sticker sheets, they will be there at the end of your planner where you can easily access them by clicking the 4 square button that we talked about earlier, which will also help you navigate amongst the pages in your digital planner. Now I'd like to discuss the planning process. I plan 1 month at a time. It's just like a brief plan so I know what's coming. And then my more in-depth planning is weekly. Here's an example of a 1 month plan that I made. And this is the page I use for planning my week. I like it because it doesn't have much confinement. And so I'm able to kind of really move things around throughout the week. And it may not look the same at the beginning as it does at the end of the week. It leaves me room to change, because you really don't ever know what's going to happen. Of course, that's just my personal preference and what works best for me. You might prefer something that's more boxed in, that's more detailed. A planner is just a really personal thing. And so you should find what works best for you and do that. I'd also like to mention something I really like about this page is the dots, because the dots help me make sure I'm putting my stickers and my words in a place where they're even and they're set up right. And I have went ahead and already added my Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, my day of the week stickers. And this is kind of how I set my planner up. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a sticker to my planner. So I scroll down along to my sticker pages, remind myself what I have to choose from. And then once I find the page, you can take the page and make it as large as you need to so that you can really see the picture as closely as you want. And then you choose the lasso tool and trace around your sticker that you're going to want to do. Long press with your Apple Pencil and choose take a screenshot. Then you're going to choose the share icon, and when it pops up, you're going to tell it to copy this image. Once you're back on your planner page, you simply hit paste, and then you can resize and move that sticker wherever you want. And one really cool thing about these dots is you can make sure you're putting it in a straight place, and then you're not going to see the the dots anymore. It's just going to look like it was meant to be right there. And here's another sticker I added. I love to add these list stickers so I can make various different kinds of lists. And on this one, I'm going to use it to mark some homework assignments that I have to finish this week, and just like homework lessons that I'll have to work on. You can choose various pen colors, save your pen color, and choose the size of ink you're going to use. And if you choose a color that you really like, you can favorite it so that you can reuse it later. And so there you go. I'm going to put my assignments in here. One cool thing about the Apple Pencil is that the more you practice, you can even learn to write calligraphy with it, so you can make some really fancy lettering for your planner. So another way to add stickers to your planner is to choose the photo icon, which is highlighted here, and it will open up another window where you can choose from your photo folders. Here I've saved one that's specifically planner stickers, or you can get into your drive, and sometimes your stickers will save in little folders like this. These are stickers that I purchased, and they all have their own little folder. And so you can just choose your individual stickers in that method rather than saving them in the back of your planner. Resizing your stickers is really simple. You just use the arrow markers and resize it to what you need. One thing I make a priority to do is to always add an affirmation sticker to each page of my planner. And so there is a week I have all set up, and I would just fill in my to-do lists and the things I need to get done each day. For a bit more detailed planning, this is a page I made myself, which I will make available for download on our event page. And they're simple to resize for whatever size of planner that you use. You can find all different kinds of pages for your planner on Etsy, including like specially made ones for teachers or for homeschooling parents, for mothers with multiple kids, and those for students. Here are a couple of examples of things I've gotten on Etsy. This is a budgeting set, and this is a what you've read set where you just color in the books on the shelves as you complete or read. So be sure to check out our event page where I will be sharing lots of resources, downloadables, and other tutorials. And tune in next month where I will be talking about effective and efficient learning with note-taking apps.